Odoo Inventory Module.
What we cover in this video: stock outward process, reordering rules, inventory adjustments. Part 2. Stock outward process. Create a sales order, so will be discussed in upcoming videos. Navigate to sales. Create new sales order. Enter customer details and select products. Click confirm order. Create invoice. Confirm the invoice. Navigate to inventory. Delivery orders. Select the corresponding SO. Click validate to complete the delivery process. Navigate to inventory. Product, products. Select the product. Click on hand, quantity. The product stock will move automatically from your warehouse location to customer location. As a result, the stock quantity decreases in stock. Reordering rules. Auto purchase. Auto manufacture trigger when stock goes below a minimum level. This helps avoid out-of-stock situations. Go to Inventory, Configuration, Reordering Rules, or Navigation, Inventory, Products, select Product, More, Reordering Rules tab, click New, enter route, buy, manufacture, set minimum, trigger level, and maximum quantity, target stock level after replenishment. Working logic. When the available stock quantity falls below the minimum quantity, Odoo will automatically create request for quotation if the route is by manufacturing order, if the route is manufacture. Inventory adjustments. Navigation, inventory, operations, physical inventory. Enter correct physical stock, Q2I in counted column, click Apply, check impact, go to Inventory, Reporting, Valuation, click the product, see adjustment entry,